In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a Word document into Confluence. This is a really handy feature if you've been working in Microsoft Word and now want to move that content into Confluence so your team can easily collaborate, comment, and keep everything in one place. I'll walk you through the process slowly and clearly so you can follow along on your own screen. First, make sure you're logged into your Confluence workspace. Start by navigating to the space or area where you want your imported content to live. This might be a project space, a documentation space, or your personal space. Once you're there, select the page where you want the Word document to appear. That could be an existing page you want to update, or a new blank page you've just created. Open that page in edit mode so you can make changes to it. With the page editor open, move your attention to the toolbar at the top of the editor. You'll see a row of icons for things like text formatting, headings, links, and images. Among those options, look for the icon that resembles an image or media button. This icon is used as the entry point for bringing external files, including Word documents, into your page. Click on that image-like icon. When you do, Confluence will open a menu or pop-up window. Depending on your version, you may see options such as uploading a file from your computer, inserting an image, or importing content. What you're looking for is the option that allows you to upload or import a file. Choose that option, then browse your computer for the Word document you'd like to import. Once you've selected the file, follow the on-screen prompts. Confluence will guide you through the rest of the process. Typically, this means confirming that you want to upload the document, waiting for the file to process, and then deciding how it should appear on the page. In many cases, Confluence will convert the Word content into a native Confluence page format, preserving most of your headings, paragraphs, and basic formatting. Give the system a moment to finish. When it's done, review the imported content carefully. You may need to adjust headings, spacing, or images to match your team's style. When you're satisfied with how everything looks, make sure to save or publish